is a Bronx-bound 2 train.
The next stop is Fulton Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Clark Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Bronx-bound 2 train.
The next stop is Fulton Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Clark Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I hope you've enjoyed this week's New York City Munipals MTA subway run featuring the remastered edition of Wall Street Station on the 2 and 3 lines in Manhattan. 3 years ago, on November 3rd, 2022, I released the original edition, which has since reached almost 20,000 views. You can watch it again with the link in the description below. Plus, there's a Meanwhile skit segment featuring the number 2 train skipping Wall Street. And if you read the fine text, there's a hidden story there about why the 2 trains skipping along with the scared D train. You can pause it and read it yourself.
Meanwhile.
Hey New Yorkers and passengers around the world, as you can see right here, we have the custom-made Munipals MTA R62 number 2 subway train. As we all know, this actually happened at Atlantic Avenue Barclays Center early this year, and I'm lucky to capture the real thing. So if you want to watch it, it's right here on my YouTube channel and link in the description below. So based on the Munipals custom-made kit, the conversion kit, of course, the side, the top, the front, and of course the back as well. Both sides. And same as this carriage as well. These are just some of the carriages I decided to leave with the stickers on so I can showcase you before I take them off. But this is based on the number 3 subway train, so it's easier to mod given that the number 1 subway train is more square. And here we are with another custom-made Munipals R62 number 2 trains, but wait for it, there's a twist. On the side, there's a number 3 train. This is actually a number 3 train. On the top, how it looks, and of course on the back I also put on the number 2 train. Hey, we all know in real life in New York City subways, a lot of trains always have some roll signs for some funny reasons, but when you put all the custom made ones together, I have to say it looks pretty cool indeed. So what do you think? Do you like it? Leave your comments below. Tomorrow Sunday at 10 a.m, our Halloween weekend special with Lego MTA. Get ready for super cursed New York City MTA subway, bus and train images. Then at 11:30 a.m, catch the real subway action at Astoria, Ditmas Boulevard in Queens with the R46 N and W trains. See you at the platform.